Okay, so we were doing ratio and proportion exercise 1A. Now moving on with the next question. Question number 2 also they are asking to change the given ratios in simplest form. Now in this question you will find the different quantities. The quantities are not same. So you have to make them same. As I told, the quantities you're finding the ratio, it should be same. Means if they do not have a same unit, you have to change it. You can see in the question it is 14 meter to 7 meter 35 centimeter. So the whole question either it should be in meter or it should be in centimeter. So I have changed the centimeter into meter. So 1 centimeter equals to 1 upon 100 meter. So 35 has to be divided by 100. You will get 0.35. Then plus 7 will be 7.35. Then you can find the ratio and you will get your answer by cutting it with their multiples. Okay. You can also do this with the simple form, with the simple method. You do not change into meter, change it into centimeter. It will be more easy. Means you will not get the decimal value. 14 meter means 1400 centimeter and this is 735 centimeter. Correct? So you divide and you will get 40:21. The next question was, there was a man who was having a salary, whose salary was 90,000, and from this salary he was doing some expense. Means he was spending the money, which is an expenditure, and the expenditure given is rupees 75,600, and the question was asking to find the ratio to his income to expenditure. So how you will do? Income is 90,000 and expenditure is 75,600. See, read the sentence carefully in the book. It is written, find the ratio between his income to expenditure. Means income is numerator and expenditure is denominator. Okay. जो word पहले बोला जाता है वो numerator है and the word which comes after जिससे हम compare कर रहे हैं, मतलब income को हम expenditure से compare कर रहे हैं. Okay, so that will be your denominator in this. So you cut, I have not cut it, means I have not change it into lowest term. You can do it of your own. You can cut it by 2 and then you can get the fraction in the lowest term. Then the second part, it was asking to find the ratio between savings to his income. Now saving was not given in the question. If we subtract expenditure from the salary, we will get the savings. So 90,000 minus 75,600, you will get 14,400 as a saving. So the ratio will be saving upon income. You can cut and get the answer. Now moving on to the next question, that is question number 4. There was a car, the two cars were there. The value of the first car is 3,96,000 and the value of second car is 5,96,000. Now 6 months later, what happened? The value of the car got dropped. Means there was a fall in the there was a fall in the amount, in the cost of the car. What was the fall? The fall was for rupees 96,000. मतलब 96,000 rupees दोनों कार में से कम हुए हैं. So you will get the new value by subtracting 96,000 from 3,96,000. That will be 3 lakhs and the second value will be 5 lakhs. So these are the new values of the car when the car cost drop by 96,000. Now there are two parts in this question. In the first part they were asking to find the ratio of the cars, the cost of the cars in the beginning, starting में जो rate थे, जो original cost question में given है, जिसमें 96,000 का drop नहीं हुआ है, तो direct 3,96,000 upon 5,96,000. Cut it and get it into the lowest term. You will get your answer. And in the second part they are asking to find the ratio after 6 months. Means 6 months later. उसके बाद जो न्यू वैल्यू आई है उसका रेशो निकालना है, वो डायरेक्ट आएगा 3:5. So hope it is clear to you. Then there was another question, question number 5. Let me open the book. Just give me a few minutes, class. Question number 5 was about, there it is, yes. Question number 5 was about, there was a baby girl who sleeps for 12.5 hours every day. मतलब एक दिन में कितने घंटे होते हैं? 24 घंटे. One day has 24 hours. So from that 24 hours, a girl is sleeping for 12 and a half hours. मतलब बाकी के time a girl is awake. So you have to find the ratio of the time she is awake to the time she is asleep. So 24 में से आप 12 and a half minus कर दीजिए. So you will get the hours for the girl is awake, and then you can find the ratio. Okay. Now question number 6. Divide the given number into two parts in the ratio 3:5. How you have to do this? The given number is 952. And the given ratio is 3:5. You have to divide this 952 into two parts. The first part is 3 and the second part is 5. So first we will find the sum of the ratio, that will be 8. Now the part which first person get is 3/8 into total. 3 upon sum of the ratio into total. This is the method. This is a formula kind of for those questions in which some amount is given and that amount has to be divided in a given ratio. जो भी ratio दिया होता है उसका हमें पहले sum करना है, and then first upon sum into total you get the first quantity. You cancel it and you'll get second quantity. 5 was the second one, so 5 upon sum again into total. So you will get the second quantity. Second quantity you can find direct also. I have done here. Total में से first quantity को अगर आप minus कर देंगे तो you will come to know what will be for the second quantity. You can do with this method also, or you can do with this method also. You are free to do with any method. Okay. Now question number 7. Again there was a man who left some property, or who is dividing some amount in his son and daughter, and in a given ratio. If you see in the question, the ratio given is not a simple ratio. This is called a complex ratio. When the denominators are given, this is a complex ratio. So we have to change the ratio into simple form, and then we will proceed further. So how to change the complex ratio into simple form? First, mixed has to be changed into improper. Then the denominators are 3 and 5. Take the LCM of the denominators. Excuse me, class. Yes, take the LCM. The LCM of 3 and 5 will be 15. Then multiply each fraction by the LCM. By multiplying it, what we will get, you can cancel the denominators. Yes, because that LCM, that is a multiple of a denominator, so it will get cancelled, and final simple ratio you will get 85:33. Now with the same method we have to do this 1,85,378. This amount you have to divide into two ratio, that is 85 into a given ratio into two parts, in son to son and to daughter. That is 85:33. So first we will find the sum of the ratio, that is 118. First part 85 is for the son, and the second part 33 is for the daughter. It is clearly given in the question. The ratio is about for son and daughter, means son ratio daughter. So the amount which son gets is 85 upon 118 into the total money, that is 1,33,535. This the son will get, and the amount that daughter gets is, I have found directly, total amount में से son का amount subtract कर दीजिए, you will get the amount which daughter will get. I hope it is clear to you. Now question number 8 is just like question number 7. You can see in the book there are 45 chocolates that has to be distributed between two person, Madhu and Pradeep, in the ratio. Here again, sorry class, here again the ratio is not a simple ratio. This is a complex ratio because you can see the denominators. So first you will change the ratio into simple form. Take the LCM of 4 and 6, multiply it by 1/4 and by 1/6. Cancel it, and then you will get the simple ratio. And then with the same method we did in 6th part, we did in 7th part, with the same method you can do. Question number 9. A man's property of rupees 2 lakh has to be divided between his wife and son, such that his wife got thrice of his son. Find his wife's share. Now in this question you can see there is no ratio given, but they have given a sentence कि जो प्रॉपर्टी डिवाइड की गई है वाइफ और सन को वो किस तरीके से डिवाइड की गई है, दोनों को हाफ हाफ नहीं दिया. What the man has done, man has given the thrice what he has given to son, the thrice of that part he has given to his wife, means wife को ज्यादा दिया है. तो wife को थर्ड पार्ट मिला है और son को फर्स्ट पार्ट. ओके, तो son का अगर हमने फर्स्ट ले लिया वन पार्ट, लेट द son got वन पार्ट ऑफ मनी, तो wife को son का थ्राइस मिला है. तो थ्राइस कितना हो जाएगा 3. तो रेशो इसका आएगा 3:1. एंड रिमेंबर दिस रेशो इज वाइफ रेशो सन. ओके, और अगर आप 1:3 कर दोगे तो सन रेशो वाइफ हो जाएगा फिर. रिमेंबर दैट. ओके, सो 3:1. नाउ यू हैव गॉट द रेशो. नाउ विद द सेम मेथड यू हैव टू डू फाइंड द सम ऑफ द रेशो, देन हाउ मच द मनी वाइफ हैज गॉट. 3 part is for the wife, so 3 upon sum into 2 lakhs, that is 1,50,000. In the book the question is only asking about the wife's share, it is not asking about son, so I have not find it out. If you want, you can find, subtract 1,50,000 from 2 lakhs. The rest of the amount, that is 50,000, it will go to the son. Okay. Now the second part, again the ratio is not given. They have given a sentence here. You have to divide rupees 300 into 2 parts such that one is 2/3 of the other. मतलब एक को जितना भी मिला है तो दूसरे को उसका 2/3 मिला है. Again there is no ratio given, so we have to form the ratio. One is 2/3 of the other. Suppose the other one gets one part. तो one को कितना, फर्स्ट पार्ट कितना हो जाएगा 2/3 of one, it is 2/3 only. तो हमारा रेशो आया 2/3:1. I hope it is clear. Yes. ऐसे sentences में what do you do, जो सेकेंड पर्सन होता है ना उसको आप लेट लो. 1 is 2/3 of the other. यहाँ पे सेकेंड पर्सन कौन है, अदर. तो अदर को पहले दे दो, तो 1 को उसी का उतने टाइम्स कर देंगे हम, 2/3 of it. So 2/3 of 1 is 2/3 only. So your ratio has come 2/3:1. Now this is not a simple ratio. You can see a denominator there. So multiply each by the denominator. The simple ratio now you will get, that is 2:3. And then do the sum of it and divide rupees 300. That is the total money given, into 2 parts. The first part will be 2/5 into 300, that is 120. Second part निकालने के लिए या तो आप माइनस कर दो 300 में से 120, या फिर आप इसी फॉर्मूले से निकालो. हाउ यू हैव फाउंड द फर्स्ट वन, that is 3/5 into 300, that is 180. See, in these questions in which you have to divide the amount into 2 or into 3, in these questions after finding the answer you can check your answer also. How you can check? The parts which you have got, what you do, the parts which you have got, na, you sum it up. The total sum of the parts should be the amount given in the question which is being divided in the given persons. Suppose first को मिला है 120, second को मिला है 180, यानी कि इन दोनों का टोटल कितना आना चाहिए 300, क्योंकि उसी 300 में से ही हमने इन दोनों को बांटा है. तो अगर इसका टोटल आपका 300 आ रहा है, इट मीन्स द पार्ट्स गिवन is correct. Same way you can do in this also, in which you have divided in the ratio. Here also you can do. 1,33,538 सन को मिला, डॉटर को मिला 51,843. इन दोनों को प्लस करो, टोटल मनी आ जाना चाहिए, that is 185,378. And if you get the total money, it means your answer is correct. So you are here in these questions in which you have to divide the money or amount or the value, you can check also. So class, here up till here I have taught you up to question number 9. Question number 10 I think that you can try it of your own, as it is again you have to divide the sum into a ratio given, and you have to find the numbers, so you can do. So 1 to 10 is your homework. In the next video I'll be teaching from 11 question onwards. If you have any doubt, you can message me on WhatsApp personally, but please, since I have taught you up to 1 to 10 only, so only ask the questions from 1 to 10. If you will ask from 11 onwards, then as you know, there must be the doubts maybe of some other students also. फिर मैं उसको भी बताऊँ, फिर आपको भी बताऊँ, सबको बताना पड़ेगा एक एक करके. तो it will be much better जब मैं second video डालूंगी तो उस वाले वीडियो में जो क्वेश्चंस आपको सिखाए जाएंगे, then you can ask those questions as a doubt. अभी आप 1 to 10 में से ही doubts पूछिएगा. Okay? So here I end up with my video. Till then, you please take care and keep studying.